7 fastest Chinese robots.
A China-based startup that just released this footage of its Star 1 humanoid running in the Gobi Desert's Hexi corridor. The robot can run up to 3.6 meters per second. At that pace, which equates to 8 miles per hour, the robot can finish a 5K race in about 23 minutes. That's way above average compared to human runners who typically take between 26 and 35 minutes. Robot Era also tested whether the Star 1 is faster with sneakers or barefoot. In the test, the sneakered robot started late but still beat out the competing robot.
Unitree G1. We start with a robot that proves you don't need deep pockets to witness the future of robotics. At just 1.32 meters tall and priced around $16,000, the Unitree G1 looks almost harmless, like a compact assistant built for labs and classrooms. But the moment it starts running, everything changes. Powered by up to 43 degrees of freedom, the G1 moves with a smoothness you don't expect from a budget robot. Its legs cycle with clean mechanical precision, its torso counterbalances like a trained athlete, and its hands remain steady even as it sprints forward. And technically, this is the first time a humanoid at this price point has been able to run with such stability, making high-speed robotics accessible not just to elite institutions, but to anyone with the ambition to build the future. Robot Era Star 1. Imagine a humanoid robot charging across an open desert, kicking up sand like a marathon runner who refuses to tire. And that's exactly what the Robot Era STAR-1 was built to do. The Star 1 didn't earn its reputation on a track. It earned it in the unforgiving heat of the Gobi Desert. In 2024, this bipedal machine sprinted through the Hexi corridor for 34 minutes straight, maintaining its speed across sand, gravel, grassland, and rocky mountain trails. No smooth floors, no controlled lab environments, just raw terrain, and a robot determined to conquer it. Then came the moment that went viral. 2 Star 1 units were sent to run the same course, one barefoot, one wearing sneakers, and the one with sneakers won the race. It became the first scientific proof that even robots can run better with shoes. And just when the world thought this was the peak of humanoid running, China revealed a machine that took this speed and turned it into something even more powerful. Robot Era L7. What would you think if a full-sized humanoid suddenly lunged forward with the speed and confidence of a professional athlete? That's the shock the Robot Era L7 delivered the first time it ran. Standing 175 centimeters tall with an incredible 55 degrees of freedom, the L7 is the closest China has come to building a humanoid that moves like a human and performs like an athlete. It hits 4.0 meters per second with a clean, confident stride, powered by 400 Newton-meters joints that deliver explosive bursts of energy for spinning, twisting, jumping, or even breakdancing routines that almost feel choreographed. But speed is only half the story. The L7 can lift 20 kilograms, maintain perfect balance while carrying weight, and analyze its surroundings with 360-degree multi-sensor fusion. Astrobot S1. There's a moment when you watch the Astrobot S1 move and your brain can't decide whether it's witnessing precision or magic. This robot doesn't take a single step, yet it outpaces almost every mobile machine on Earth. The Astrobot S1's arms fire at 10 meters per second, a speed powerful enough to yank a tablecloth from under stacked wine glasses without disturbing a single one. Fast enough to slice vegetables mid-air, cook with flawless timing, draw intricate characters, or execute factory tasks with a responsiveness no human nervous system can hope to match. Each arm can handle a 10-kilogram payload, yet still moves with feather-light accuracy. Black Panther 2.0. What do you call a robot that moves so naturally it's hard to tell if you're watching a machine or a predator? Yes, Black Panther 2.0. Weighing just 38 kilograms, this compact quadruped is officially the world's fastest pure four-legged robot, capable of blasting through 100 meters in under 10 seconds, a time usually reserved for Olympic sprinters. Watching it run is unsettling in the best possible way. Its legs strike the ground with violent precision, its frame stabilizes mid-stride, and its movements mimic the rhythm of a biological creature built for the hunt. That realism comes from engineering inspired directly by nature. Jerboa-style carbon fiber legs with 135% higher stiffness for explosive rebounds. Spring-loaded knee joints that absorb shock like an animal's tendons. Cheetah-inspired running shoes delivering a 200% improvement in grip. And AI gait control based on the Huygens pendulum principle, coordinating each leg like a synchronized predator. Unitree B2W. And now, we have the undisputed king of speed, the fastest robot China has ever created, and the fastest mobile robot on the planet. It's Unitree B2W. One moment it's stepping with precise, articulated legs. The next, those legs snap into wheel mode and the robot launches forward like a mechanical motorcycle, blasting to 30 miles per hour in seconds. It carries 40 kilograms, stays balanced at speeds most robots can't survive, and transitions between running and rolling with the smoothness of a creature, evolving in real time. Every step, every rotation, every acceleration is controlled by high-speed actuators and algorithms designed for one mission: be faster than anything else on Earth with legs, wheels, or both. This isn't just speed, it's the future of mobility, a glimpse of robots that won't just keep up with humans and machines, but outrun them all. And that's exactly why the Unitree B2W sits at number 1, because no other robot combines this level of agility, stability, and raw velocity, and nothing else comes close.